We have plucked the cars from the snowbank, and 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I couldn't see what was happening, and all the snow flew up, and it was just a mystery. That is a, I don't know if it's a shortcut or what to call that, but I've done that myself a few times. I'm sure you may have noticed in the video. Oh, it has like a rocket ship coming in. And I just jumped the wrong part of the track. Look how there's you can see the snow pile up in the windshield of the black one as it got dusted in the corner. A little bit of contact out of that corner. You know, black flag myself for that one and get caught back up so we can try and battle head to head. Oh, God. Well then, I think we're stuck. We might go play with the jump over there. And yeah, this video's probably all going to be out of order, but we'll see you guys in the next segment. Well, there's one slash. Are we going to get the second one or no? We'll see. We've got our nice little bashing ramp made of snow today. We're going to be racing the slashes on the track today, but figured we'd start with our little ramp here that we have groomed out that we may play with other cars later. But for now, we'll make our way over to the track and assume the position to try the racing the slashes around. Okay, take 2 of recording this now. I've got the black slash, she's got the red one. We're going to try and race these now that we have the same tires, because the BFGs on the black one worked a lot better than whatever crap Traxxas put on the red one. So we'll try this in 3, 2, 1, go. Both running completely stock, aside from the red one had the tires get swapped, and we're running the 2-cell packs from Traxxas. See if we can get them. Oh, almost put it in the snowbank. Got some more snow drifts in the track after last night, so it's a little bit more interesting now. And I spun out. Especially right down here by the starting line, it's more interesting. And I spun out. So again, doing the best to drive one-handed here and try and stay on the track while I film at the same time. Since we don't have a third person to hold the camera while we... Wow, that's a tongue twister. Do not have a third person to hold the camera while we race. Oh, we're off the track. We are stuck, and maybe we can get that out with a bump from the red slash if she's willing to attempt that. Just a gentle bump from the rear end, and maybe I can power out of here. We'll see. Or we'll just Newton's cradle it, and the red one's gonna get stuck now, but we'll see. But a mildly aggressive bump. Ah, yes, we'll teamwork this, and eventually we will free them both from the back of the truck. No, now we're both stuck. That didn't work. We'll check back in a minute. We have re-racked the cars, and 3, 2, 1, go again. Give her a head start this time since she's not using full throttle. Snowbanks are more interesting to drive on now their track's not completely flat. Giving me ideas for the summer to try and work on this. somehow keep in control of this. Doing my best to go one-handed. All the braking bumps coming into the corners now. Oh. Taking that corner way too wide. Oh, I thought I was definitely going to get stuck in the snowbank for a second there, but we somehow kept it out. Come back down the main straight. Oh, we got bucked in that corner. And she has stopped. Not sure why, but guess we'll cut back in a second. We'll try and re-rack him again for another race. Okay, here we go again. 3, 2, 1, go. We'll give her a head start. I don't know why she's stopping. She needs a big head start. And here we go. Almost pushed that into the snowbank. I will admit that the first couple of races we had, I'm a piece of shit because I had my cheater bar set to half power on the transmitter and she was using nothing. So because I had the gyro helping me out, I could just bury the throttle in the corner and run away, and she was actually trying to keep control of the car. Now we both have the cheater bar on, so the racing will hopefully be quite a bit more fair. Sent it way too deep into that corner, and it sounds like we have a stuck. Okay, we will try and Newton's cradle this again. No, we're both stuck. Never mind. That wasn't very helpful. As far as I can think, this is going to be the last part of today's video. Just in case we happen to break something, we'll play with our snow ramp a little bit. Oh, you gotta be. I got it stuck right there. That's funny. Give her a kick. It sound absolutely awful hitting that and jumping ice. Square to the rear bumper. That's good for it. We'll send mine off. It's almost suplexed the car, but we're good. So yeah, hopefully you guys got a kick out of that. Maybe running slashes, trying to race them head to head was interesting. We got a little bit closer, probably at the start of the video. Probably putting that closer clip at the start of the video. Comes another. Oh, I buried it out there, not paying attention. That's unfortunate. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. We'll stare off into Siberia as we end the video today. That one's gone too. Nice.